Hello, so this is a video of how to use OBS Studios and YouTube for the live stream. So first what we're going to do is we're going to open up OBS Studios on the bottom. It's this icon next to the Google Chrome and Safari. So this is what it will look like when you open it. You have the scoreboard here. So these parts of the scoreboard are just images imported on the side, so just ignore that. So what we're going to do is, in order to control the scoreboard, you have to open up a separate app. So it's the app right here, 2, 3 next to the Zoom logo. Just open that. And now anything you put in this app will automatically update into OBS Studio. So for example, I'll change the school name to Hafter, press enter, and it will automatically change it over here. Same with the score. Add 2, automatically will update. And same with time. I put in whatever time I want, press enter, press start, and it will automatically update the time into OBS Studios. It might take a minute, but it will work. And then press pause, play, whatever you need to do. So any scoring that you're going to be doing is going to be through this app. Don't touch any of this. Okay, now that we got that, we're going to do the microphone and camera. So we have this connector over here that's going to be plugged into the computer. Let me just unplug it to show you. This goes into the computer, and then it has all these USB ports that we're going to be putting our microphone and camera into. So we're going to plug that into the computer, and we'll start with the camera. So we plug the USB of the camera into one of these USB ports. And now any source you want to add, whether it's a microphone or a camera, you're going to go to over here where it says sources, and you're going to press the plus button. And then for camera, video capture device. And you can just name it camera, whatever you want to name it. And then press OK or enter. And then device, you're going to have a list of options. The FaceTime is the camera that's on the computer, though we don't want to use that. We're using Logitech webcam. That's the name of the camera. Press that. You'll see that it shows it, and press OK, and you'll just want to adjust it so it fits the full screen. Now, you see how when I did that, it overturned the scoreboard. It came on top of it. So what we want to do for that is just bring the camera down to the last thing listed, because whatever's on the top is what will show. So if I have the camera listed up here, then it will cover everything else. So we just want to bring that to the bottom. If that didn't make sense, it's fine. Basically, just bring camera to the bottom of the list. Great. Now, same thing for microphone. Plug your microphone into one of your USB ports. Press the add button, then press audio input capture, microphone, mic, whatever you want to call it. Okay. And it should say Logitech USB headset. Press OK, and you'll see we named it as mic, and it's right here at the top. And the closer you go to it, it will get bright red if that means it's really loud, and you'll know if it's working or not based off if this is going up. If you want to turn the microphone off, just lower it like that. Okay, and you're going to be doing that for 2 mics depending on how many announcers you have. If you do it for 2 mics, you just do the same thing, audio input capture, and it will say the same name like USB, the Logitech USB headset, but just choose the top one. Okay, that didn't make sense. It's fine. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to connect it to YouTube. So we have everything set up. We just got to now open YouTube, so now we can live stream. So go to YouTube, and we're going to make sure we're in the right account. It has to say Central Athletics, not Central Sports, Central Athletics. And then once you're in the right account, you're going to go to this button over here, press Go Live, and it'll bring you to this screen. And then from here, once it loads, you'll see the title and everything. So press edit to change the title. So Central versus Hank JV basketball or whatever it is. You'll scroll down here. You'll put in the thumbnail. Just press change and then upload it from computer. And then you'll press save. Great. Now just to connect the two, so now we have both things set up. You're going to press start streaming in OBS. You'll wait a minute. It will take a minute, so don't get scared if it doesn't work. There'll be a black screen at first. Just give it a minute. And then you'll see it's live streaming, and you'll be able to see how many viewers are on it through this button. And yeah, and if you want to stop streaming, you just press stop streaming. And you could also press end stream here. Now, another very important detail, which I forgot to mention, was that when you are doing the edit and you are making the settings for the game, you have to make sure it says public and then press save. And done, and then save. And that's it. Hopefully everything goes smoothly. Hope that was helpful.